Welcome to TIMO TECH Electronics, the best car sound and security system you can trust. It is what it is. Okay, we're just located in Linglot on the road side. Yeah, so we have a big parking space. As you can see, this is TIMO TECH Electronics. We are just near Charara traffic lights there. Should be 100 meters away from here to traffic lights. Here is the location, TIMO TECH Electronics. These are the services we offer: key cutting, key programming, sound system, GPS trackers, car alarm system, and accessories. Let me show you inside. Okay, welcome to TIMO TECH Electronics for the best car sound and security system. Okay, let's start with the sound system. We have Tiger 9500 watts. This is subwoofer, powerful subwoofer. Tiger. We also have power base 20,000 watts. Pioneer 1500 watts. Another one, Pioneer 1500 watts. We also have equalizer. This is JBL 6x9. Originals, good quality. Sony 6-inch door speaker. We have this one. We also have Pioneer 600 watts door speakers. Wiring kits we have. Okay, so this is a 10 gauge wiring kit. This one, it's a 8 gauge wiring kits. We have different types, different qualities. This door guard, universal bumper clips, wooters. We have a strong sound quality. Tweeters, we have AR 350 watts. We also have Pioneer 200 watts tweeter, XTC tweeter, Black Spider, Tiger, Android car radios, Turbo TIMO, XTC 500 watts door speakers, another 6x9 Sony brand, flat sub, XTC 12 inches 10,000 watts, Black Spider sub 10,000 watts, 6.5 inch 900 watts ice power, very powerful Pitbull subwoofer we have in stock.